tough for me to say, but we're making free foraged apple cider today. Okay, so we start with apples. We picked at random locations that we marked on Google Maps. You can just forage around you, collect your own food, and just have a great time doing it. I'm gonna put some in here. I end up leaving cores and all. Just dump them all in there. They're gonna get mashed up and strained later. That thing's pretty cool. I use cores and all because it's all gonna get strained later on, so just throw it all in there. And we have approximately 15 apples for an undisclosed amount of water. I know people are gonna laugh at my knife skills, but that one's got a funk about it. With wild apples, they're not always going to be perfect. You'll have a few blemishes and stuff, but heck, they're still good and we're still going to use them in this. Okay, that's the last one. We got a full pot. Get it up to a boil, and just until the apples are soft enough to mash, and then just mash them and it'll squeeze all the juice out. It's not really an exact science. I add brown sugar, a little nutmeg, cinnamon, orange peels that we harvested, and some fresh lemon. And just add as much brown sugar as you want. I just add a dollop now, and towards the end I'll add a little bit more. Alright, now it'll come to a boil. We let it sit and we come back in a bit. Don't worry guys, secretly, behind the camera, we took out a lot of our apples. Because we had a flood. Moral of the story, use a pot big enough for your apple. Mash it as you go until it basically turns into applesauce. They're getting. You'll know when they're done because they'll be easy to mash. So, adding some more brown sugar. And if it doesn't come out exactly sugary enough, I'll add some white sugar next. And if you want, this is applesauce. So if you want to, you can actually strain this further with some cheesecloth, but I like the sediment in the bottom, so I leave it just like this. Just gotta shake it when you use it. Just to be safe, transfer it when it's cold so you don't break the glass or anything. I try to encourage everybody to bring this to your compost. Don't throw it in the landfill, it's a waste.